Today we are going to talk about stress versus strain. This is a particular concept that students mix together and some people find it difficult to understand. So in this video, I'm going to explain what we mean by stress and what we mean by strain. Now let's start with stress. Stress is just the force applied on a material per unit area. So you have a material, you try to apply a load or a force on it. Now, the ratio of the force you apply to the area is what we call stress. That's why stress is given as stress equals force over area. That is, we have force per unit area. And the unit of force is Newton, the unit of area is meter squared. So stress is measured in Newton per meter squared. So let's say, for example, you have a rubber band, you apply a force on it. The force you apply on that particular rubber band creates a stress inside of it. That is, the rubber band is going to expand because this topic is under elasticity. Now, that is what we mean by stress. Then when we talk of strain is just the change in shape or the length of a particular material when a force is applied. Now we apply a particular load or force to this rubber band that I was talking about. Now when you apply the force, there is going to be a change in length or shape of that particular rubber band as long as the force is still on it. But the moment you remove your force, it will return back to its original position. That is elastic deformation. So now strain is just something related to stress, but stress causes strain. That is, it is when you apply a particular force that you can get a strain. That is, that force that you apply to that particular material will change the length. If it is sufficient enough, we change the length or shape of that material. That's why we have strain equals change in length over your original length. That is, that thing has expanded, the length has changed, so we call it extension over length, which is change in length. Change in length is extension over length. This change in length is your final length minus initial length over your original initial length. So now the unit of strain, unit is strainless. That is, strain is unitless. That is, there is no unit. Since there we have change in length. Change in length is measured in meter. Then length is also measured in meter. So strain does not have a unit. Now, this is the simple difference. Stress is the force that causes that deformation, while your strain is the actual deformation. So in conclusion, we can say stress causes strain. So that's the best way to say it. If there is no stress, you can't have a strain. So in the next video, I'm going to give you one example. We solve it together so that you can know how to handle something like this. Bye.